welcome back guys. I am in full meditation mode right now. I woke up at probably 8 a.m. in the morning because I have to be somewhere today. So today this vlog is about a very interesting transformation we are going to do with my hair. Umit is going to be doing my hair. I hope I'm pronouncing his name correct, but he is going to do my hair today. We're going to color them, cut them, and to be honest, I'm really excited to see what he has in mind. He will decide once he sees my hair, obviously. So I have to travel to him today. I had a hard time deciding what to wear today because, well, I think that's a daily story for every girl. Did decide on something pink, and the funny thing is I prepared my new pink bag that I showed you guys in my previous videos. You must have this bag. This is gorgeous. But now I will have to transfer everything into black because I ended up wearing black with a velvet skirt underneath. So let me transfer everything into my black bag so I look a bit more appropriate. My hair, this is the condition right now. Let me quickly show you guys. And they are super dry, super frizzy. Of course, they have been colored and treated so many times, it's crazy, I can't even count. And the color is a little copper grassy right now. It has been a while, so we're gonna change that for me today, hopefully. And don't forget to hit like and hit subscribe if you want me to keep bringing you these kinds of vlogs. Let me know down below in the comments as well, and I will reveal my new hair at the end of the video, so keep watching. And also guys, I said I'm in a meditative state right now, and that means that I was listening to manifestation music as well as audible books right now, which helps me to stay calm and keep listening to something as I get ready and do my other things. So I highly recommend to all of you guys, sign up for Audible. It is free to join. You get 2 Audible books on signing up for free right now. The link is given in the description, and it is free to sign up. Every month onwards you get 1 free book every single month that you can listen on Audible, and put some relaxing music on in the background, and it puts you in that meditative state, which I'm in most of the time nowadays, and Audible is really helping me with this journey. So take a look at that. And I know I talk a lot. Let me quickly get organized here because I hate leaving the house disgusting. I'm really excited for my new hair. I was just telling my family today I'm gonna come back like a new me, new Isha, new hair. Also considering the fact that it's been a while I didn't get my hair done professionally. Ever since lockdown, even before that, I was doing a lot of DIYs on my hair for the sake of content. And so nobody professional touched my hair in about, let's say, 2.5 years. It's been a minute, guys. It's been a minute, and today is the day. Let's go. And we are almost there, but I really wanted to show you guys this beautiful tree that's right on my way. Look at this, gorgeous. However, today the weather isn't as pleasant. Look at how orange my hair is right now. Today I'm coming back with new hair and new me. This is what I was wishing for this morning. I really wanted a flower shop so I can get the salon some flowers, and here I found some. I just manifested this morning. I didn't even think I would have like a flower shop on the way. Let's see if we get something nice here. I think I always get some roses, always have roses. This time we got some tulips. Look at how cute they are. It's those ones right there. Alright guys, we are here. I think I am at the right place. We just blow dried my hair straight, and then he's gonna start the process. And he's already told me how dry my hair is. That's supposed to be my biggest nightmare, having my hair cut, but well. He doesn't know he's in my video. I have already started to feel a little naked with such short hair. Oh my god. Oh my god. I have never been this short, but I love it. I do feel a little naked, but you know what? I'm just gonna have to trust my hairdresser, right? So I'm gonna go with the flow. I know I'm gonna cry about this tomorrow though, you know? So this is me trying to show you guys officially my hair, how it was before. This is before we start with everything else. Yes, the haircut is done. The color is gonna start now. I'm just sitting here observing other people getting their hair colored right now. Look at the technique. I find this so interesting, the way they do balayage. He backcombs the strands and then puts the rest of the strand on the foil, and then he starts coloring it. How interesting is this process? And he's so quick at that, it's interesting. Like, he did all of these little foil things within 10 minutes. And I'm just watching with my half-assed blonde hair right now. And there's my beautiful flowers. And we are starting with the next step. I look like an old schoolgirl. I think now the balayage process is gonna start.
How is it going? Starting to be strong, huh?
After breaking one nail and lots of hunger, this is what it's looking like. I can't wait to see the end result. Wait for this to process, then he's gonna wash it off, and then we're gonna do a final toner, I believe, on wet hair. This is where we are at, and now I think it's time for the final toner. He's gonna apply it now. You're coming in my video. I came in with orange hair, literally.
I was thinking, I was thinking, what was that? How are they going to change it?
Yeah.
Which color are you going now?
Ash blonde.
Yeah. Like a full transformation. For my YouTube video.
Oh wow, that would be nice. I think it's perfect. This salon is amazing, honestly.
Yeah. Look at this, guys. I came in with orange hair. We have this so far. Now everyone is makeup artist, everyone is hairdresser.
Yeah.
Who is this? Oh, this is gorgeous. Very nice. the man behind my hair is this man right here, Mr. Umit. Hello.
Hi. It's finished, yeah?
It's
You like?
finished. I love it.
Yeah.
Did you enjoy doing my hair?
Yes, of course.
I love it.
Yeah.
I'm so happy.
Good time, good day.
It was a long day, but it's worth it.
Normal. Too long job.
Yeah.
Right? I'll change your hair.
Yeah, it's amazing.
Yeah.
I'm so happy.
After your hair is going to blonde, you see the hair is drier or no?
Now they're so soft now.
Yeah.
Seriously, yeah.
Yeah, that's it.
I
Good
love it.
job, long time, but it's
Worth
healthy
it.
job.
Totally.
Yeah,
Thank you so much. I'm so happy. Thank you.
Nice to meet you.
Guys, make sure you follow him on Instagram.
Thank you. Thank you.
I'm back home, had dinner, I'm back in my zone. I feel like a new person. I'm not even kidding, my siblings didn't even recognize me. I've never been like a proper blondie like this, and as they say, blondes have more fun, so we're gonna see if I do have more fun with this summer or not. But guys, I am so happy. Honestly, my hair does feel a lot more softer. It's been a few hours that I've had all this color done. I'm surprised that even after all the bleach and all these colors, my hair does not feel dry or frizzy at all. Like, it's really smooth, you know. And he also recommended me some shampoo and mask that I should start using, because now I'm kind of like an official blondie. So I'm gonna obviously now use my GLAM growth hair oil a lot more than before, because you have to take care of these colored hair. And I'm also gonna order in the new shampoo and mask that he's recommended, which I'm gonna give you guys a link in the description to those two items, which might help you also if you have really frizzy, crispy, fried, treated hair like me. It might help you with the condition of your hair also. I really wanted to bring you guys this content for my hair transformation. I know it was pending, you guys have been waiting for this, and I'm so happy that he also wanted to work with me, so there we are. That was a really nice collaboration. The whole team is so friendly, so easy to go along with. They're also very, very professional, so I highly recommend that if you are in London. St. John's Wood is, I think, the street name, if I'm not mistaken. I'm really bad with these kinds of things, but you will find their address and their Instagram link on my description anyway, so take a look at their Instagram profiles, follow them. If you go for your treatment, let them know that I sent you there, and if you do go for your balayage there, then let them know Isha asked you to do so. I do really hope that their salon becomes my lifelong sponsor to always do my hair, and so I can always keep bringing you this kind of content. And my hair will always look lush. Just saying. I'm super tired. That was a long day. I went at 12. I was there at 12 and I came back at 11ish. But it was so worth it, so I'm happy. Take care of your hair because they are your crown. I gotta go and sleep. I'm in my gym gear because I'm gonna head out to the gym. That's a different vlog. And look at my hair. I just really wanted to give you guys an update. It's been 3 days, and the funny thing is I have not even brushed my hair, so I thought as I brush my hair, let me show you guys how it turns out. Of course, my hair has been pressed against my pillows, which reminds me I need silk pillowcases. I just didn't want to brush my hair because I thought I'm gonna lose my curls, and he styled my hair so nicely. I don't even know how to style my hair like that, okay? So I have decided that I'm just gonna keep blow drying them kind of straight. I'm gonna really try hard because Umit told me that rather than using a straightener and on so much heat, I actually go up to 230, which is a very high temperature for any hair to turn crispy and really, really dry. So I'm not going to do that anymore. I'm going to learn how to do my own blow dry and make them straight with the blow dry technique, basically, you know, so they're going to be a lot less damaged further moving on from this point, if that makes sense. Oh my god, I feel so cute. And even in this gym wear, with this hair, who's this person? I feel like a new person. I think it goes really well with the aesthetics, you know. It's gonna look, you know, nicer on the videos also on my YouTube, so why not? Now let me brush my hair because I know I talk too much. I feel really, really cute. I love it, you know, even though I do plan to keep my hair very straight now because I'm just not used to having waves on my face because my face is quite round. So having long hair, elongated straight hair makes my face look a little slimmer. That's what I like. Mr. Umit also suggested to not wash my hair too often. I told him I only wash my hair once a week anyway. and he said that's all right, you know, you should only wash your hair just once a week, and so I don't want to wash them even today. I am gonna wash my hair actually tomorrow, and then as I said, I'm gonna blow dry them straight tomorrow. It's gonna be my first attempt to do my own blow dry, that too straight. And you guys know I have very curly, very frizzy hair. If you haven't seen my original hair, maybe watch my previous hairstyling videos where you can see the before and after. My hair is very frizzy and very curly. However, of course, now he has cut off all the frizz, so the dry ends are all gone. Look at that. I know I said that I'm gonna cry, but to be honest, I'm actually very happy that the dryness of my hair is all gone. All the split ends are gone. The extra frizz has been cut off. All the little dead ends, even from up here, he just cut it all off. And I'm really happy that he did that. I just feel like all the negativity from my life is gone. I didn't know hair could make such a difference in how you feel, honestly. I really love it, and I really hope if you are watching this, Mr. Umit, I would want you to become my sponsor for life. Always keep doing my hair so I can keep bringing you guys content and really interesting videos also, and show you guys all the hair treatments and all the amazing hairstyles and colors that they do. So Mr. Umit, if you're watching, put me on your special guest list. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I need to tie up my hair and head to the gym. Bye!